A few years ago, building a marketing team meant hiring multiple specialists. For most businesses and creators, that's not realistic. So what if one platform could handle it all? Not as another AI chatbot, but as a complete AI marketing team. That's what Fetra AI is trying to build. Instead of one AI assistant, you get 5 specialized AI employees, each focused on a different part of growing your business. Let's see how they work together and whether they are actually worth using. So let's start from the beginning. The onboarding process is surprisingly simple. Instead of spending 20 minutes manually describing your business, Fetra lets you start by simply entering your website or brand profile. The platform automatically analyzes your website and pulls in information like your business description, branding, products, and overall identity. If some information isn't detected correctly, you can simply edit it yourself. Here I can confirm my business name, choose the industry, set my primary language, upload my logo, and add a short description explaining what the company does. I can also define my target audience and highlight the key selling points that should stay consistent across future marketing content. The idea is pretty straightforward. Instead of repeating the same information every time you create content, you teach the platform once and every AI employee works from the same business context. After finishing the setup, Fetra introduces the different AI employees that will handle different parts of the marketing workflow. The first one is Marco. Marco is Fetra's social media manager. His job is much more than simply writing captions. The first thing Marco does is understand your existing brand voice. You can connect your social media profile, allowing the platform to learn how your business communicates with customers. From there, Marco starts generating complete social media posts. And I like that these aren't just blocks of text. Fetra also generates visual assets that match the content, making each post much closer to something you could actually publish. Another feature I wanted to test is the built-in chat. Instead of choosing from suggested ideas, I can simply type my own request. For example, I can ask Marco to create a promotional Instagram campaign for a new AI video feature. Within seconds, it generates both the marketing copy and supporting creative assets. According to Fetra, these posts can then be adapted automatically for different platforms, including Instagram, Facebook, X, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Threads, Blue Sky, TikTok, and YouTube. Rather than copying the same caption everywhere, the platform adjusts the format to better match each social network. It also includes a built-in publishing calendar, making it easier to review, organize, schedule, and publish future content from one place. The second AI employee is Reid. This one focuses entirely on SEO content. Instead of immediately asking AI to write an article, Reid first looks at the strategy behind the content. It researches keywords, analyzes search intent, and recommends topics with stronger ranking potential. After selecting one of the suggested ideas, Reid generates a complete SEO article. The article follows a clean structure with headings, formatting, lists, links, and supporting visuals already prepared. One thing I appreciate is that the workflow doesn't stop after writing. There's a built-in editor where everything can still be refined before publishing. And if your website is connected through platforms like WordPress, Wix, Shopify, or Webflow, publishing can happen directly without jumping between different tools. So instead of using separate software for keyword research, content writing, editing, and publishing, Reid combines the entire workflow into a single place. The third AI employee is Vivi. Instead of focusing on text or social media, Vivi is responsible for video creation. According to Fetra, Vivi uses your existing brand information, product details, and marketing objectives to generate commercial-ready marketing videos while keeping everything consistent with your brand identity. For this demonstration, I generated 2 different videos. The first one is a short teaser designed for quick promotions on social media. The second is a longer marketing video that gives more room for storytelling and product presentation. Rather than just showing the generation process, I want to focus on the final results because that's ultimately what matters. The videos feel much more like finished marketing assets than rough AI drafts, and because Vivi already understands the business context from the onboarding process, the branding stays consistent across the generated content. If you're regularly producing product launches, promotional campaigns, and short advertisements, having an AI that can quickly create marketing videos could save a significant amount of production time. The next AI employee is Ethan. This one focuses on paid advertising. Instead of immediately launching campaigns, Ethan helps organize the planning process first. It can generate platform-specific advertising ideas, create creative briefs, and prepare concepts designed for different advertising platforms. As campaigns began collecting data, Ethan is also designed to continuously improve future campaigns by learning from previous performance and suggesting better creative directions over time. Even though this isn't the most visual part of the platform, it is an important piece because advertising usually works best when it's constantly being optimized rather than created once and forgotten. After spending time exploring the platform, I think what's most interesting about Fetra isn't any individual AI employee. There are already plenty of AI tools that can write articles, generate images, create videos, or help with social media. What makes Fetra different is that all of these AI employees share the same business knowledge. Instead of opening 5 different applications and explaining your brand over and over again, everything starts from a single business profile. That shared context makes the entire workflow feel much more connected. Social content, SEO articles, marketing videos, advertising ideas, and lead generation all work from this very same brand identity. For small business owners who don't have a dedicated marketing department, solo founders handling everything themselves, or agencies managing multiple clients at once, that kind of centralized workflow could remove a lot of repetitive work. Of course, AI isn't replacing strategy completely. You'll still want to review the content before publishing and make sure everything aligns with your goals. But as a starting point for scaling marketing activities, Fetra brings together a surprisingly wide range of capabilities inside one platform. If you'd like to explore it yourself, you can start with Fetra's free trial using the link in the description below. Try connecting your own business, let the AI employees learn your brand, and see how your own workflow compares. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.